Welcome to the interior story of Mr. Jayachandran's villa in Ranch by Skyline, an American-style home crafted by D2R Home Interiors.
Primary concern in any interior designing is quality. And we have received very strong recommendations from our friends who has used D2R in the past, which is why we went for D2R, and one of the reasons for we went for the D2R.
Minimalist elegance and soothing pastel colors define the essence of this home. Carefully curated furniture blends seamlessly, marrying comfort and contemporary style. Practicality meets aesthetics in every corner.
Absolutely. If you look at the quality of the finalized product, we are very, very happy with that. And they are spot on, and what they have agreed is what they have delivered.
We thank you for choosing D2R Home Interiors, where every detail is designed to enhance your experience.